In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tags on Shopify. Now, we all know that effectively managing tags on your Shopify products can help you stay organized and improve the searchability of your items. Whether you're rolling out a brand new collection or simply tidying up, understanding how to edit tags is an essential skill. So let's dive into the process step by step to make sure everything's perfectly clear. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Log into your Shopify account, and once you're in, look for the option titled My Store on the home page of your admin panel. Clicking on this will present you with a list of options, leading you to where you need to go. Now, the next step is to focus on the Products section. This is the area where you manage all your inventory and details associated with each item. Go ahead and click on Products. This will bring up a comprehensive list of every product you have in your store. The interface here is user-friendly, providing you with various ways to sort and manage your products. For today's example, let's pretend we're going to edit the tags for a specific item, which we'll call Example Shirt 2. Locate this product in your list. Clicking on it will take you to that product's detail page. This is where you can amend any of the attributes tied to this item. Among these attributes are the tags, crucial for categorizing your products effectively. Once on the product's detail page, look for the section specifically labeled Tags. This is where you can add, remove, or modify tags according to what best fits your organizational strategy or marketing plan for your store. Click on the Tags section to open it up fully. If you're adding new tags, start typing the keywords that describe your product. As you type, Shopify will suggest tags you've previously used, or you can create entirely new ones. To remove an existing tag, just click the little X beside any tag you wish to eliminate. This simple setup allows for seamless editing as you see fit. Remember that these tags are vital for filtering and searching within your store, so make sure they accurately reflect the product and are easy for potential customers to understand and find. When you're satisfied with the changes, double-check everything for accuracy. Once you're done, don't forget to save your changes. There's nothing worse than realizing you haven't saved your hard work, and that's it. You've successfully edited your product tags on Shopify. If you follow these steps carefully, your store will be better organized and more user-friendly, aiding both you and your customers. Make sure to regularly review and update your tags as your product range evolves. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.